This video is about hidden true 125 facts about Taurus individuals. Watch the video till end, it'll help you to know much more about Taurians' hidden traits and unknown abilities. If you like the video, please like and share it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. 1. Taurus is the second astrological sign in the zodiac. 2. Taurus is an earth sign and is represented by the bull. 3. Taurus individuals are born between April 20th and May 20th. 4. The ruling planet of Taurus is Venus, which symbolizes love, beauty, and harmony. 5. Taurians are known for their loyalty and dependability. 6. Taurus is associated with the element of earth, representing practicality and stability. 7. The symbol of the bull represents the Taurus's determination, strength, and stubbornness. 8. Taurians are known for their love of comfort and luxury. 9. Taurus is a fixed sign, indicating determination and persistence. 10. Taurus is one of the most reliable and trustworthy signs of the zodiac. 11. Taurians are typically patient and methodical in their approach to life. 12. Taurus individuals have a strong sense of loyalty and are fiercely protective of their loved ones. 13. Taurus is known for its strong work ethic and willingness to put in the effort to achieve the goals. 14. Taurians have a deep love for nature and often feel a strong connection to the earth. 15. Taurus is ruled by the throat chakra, giving them a natural talent for communication and expression. 16. Taurians appreciate the finer things in life, such as art, music, and good food. 17. Taurus individuals are known for their strong determination and ability to persevere through challenges. 18. Taurians can be possessive and stubborn when it comes to their belongings or loved ones. 19. Taurus is considered a feminine sign, representing nurturing and receptive energies. 20. Taurus is associated with the second house in astrology, which governs personal finances and values. 21. Taurians are natural-born leaders and are often drawn to positions of authority. 22. Taurus individuals are known for their practicality and the ability to make sound financial decisions. 23. Taurians have a natural talent for creating a comfortable and harmonious home environment. 24. Taurus individuals are often highly sensual and enjoy indulging in physical pleasures. 25. Taurians possess a calm and grounded nature, which helps them navigate through stressful situations. 26. Taurus is a fixed earth sign, representing stability, reliability, and a strong sense of purpose. 27. Taurus individuals are deeply connected to their physical senses and enjoy experiencing the world through touch, taste, and smell. 28. Taurians are known for their strong opinions and are not easily swayed by others. 29. Taurus individuals take their time when making decisions and prefer to thoroughly analyze all options before committing. 30. Taurians have a deep appreciation for beauty and often have a creative and artistic side to their personality. 31. Taurus is associated with the throat, neck, and vocal cords, making Taurians prone to issues related to these areas. 32. Taurus individuals have a practical approach to romance and seek stability and security in relationships. 33. Taurians are known for their abundance of patience, but they can also have a tendency to stubbornly hold on to their beliefs. 34. Taurus individuals are often excellent savers and have a natural talent for accumulating wealth. 35. Taurians possess a strong sense of self-worth and value their own opinions and decisions. 36. Taurus is associated with the element of earth, giving Taurians a grounded and practical outlook on life. 37. Taurus individuals are known for their steady and reliable nature, making them trustworthy friends and partners. 38. Taurians have a deep appreciation for tradition and value stability in all areas of life. 39. Taurus is ruled by Venus, the planet of love and beauty, which gives Taurians a strong aesthetic sense. 40. Taurians are known for their love of good food and often have a talent for cooking and enjoying gourmet meals. 41. Taurus individuals have a strong need for financial security and stability in their lives. 42. Taurians are associated with the earth element, which gives them a practical and down-to-earth attitude. 43. Taurus individuals are patient and steadfast in their pursuit of goals, often achieving great success. 44. Taurians are deeply loyal and committed to their relationships, but can also be possessive and jealous. 45. Taurus individuals are known for their strong determination and ability to withstand challenges. 46. Taurians are attracted to beauty and harmony, often finding solace and inspiration in art and nature. 47. Taurus individuals are reliable and trustworthy, making them excellent friends and partners. 48. Taurians have a strong sense of self-worth and value their own opinions and beliefs. 49. Taurus is ruled by Venus, which gives Taurians a natural charm and grace. 50. Taurians have a practical and grounded approach to life, often seeking stability and security. 51. Taurus individuals are passionate and sensual, enjoying physical pleasure and indulgence. 52. Taurians are known for their patience and persistence, willing to work hard to achieve the goals. 53. Taurus is associated with the throat chakra, giving Taurians a natural talent for communication and expression. 54. Taurus individuals are often highly organized and methodical in their approach to tasks and projects. 55. Taurians are attracted to luxury and comfort, often surrounding themselves with beautiful possessions. 56. Taurus individuals have a strong sense of loyalty and commitment to their loved ones. 57. Taurians have a strong work ethic and are known for their reliability and dependability. 58. Taurus is associated with the earth element, which gives Taurians a practical and down-to-earth nature. 59. Taurus individuals are deeply connected to nature and often seek solace and inspiration in the outdoors. 60. Taurians possess a calm and grounded personality, helping them remain steady in challenging situations. 61. Taurus is ruled by Venus, which gives Taurians a natural talent for creating beauty and harmony. 62. Taurus individuals value stability and security, often striving for financial success. 63. Taurians are known for their stubbornness and determination, sticking to their beliefs and opinions. 64. Taurus individuals have a gentle and nurturing nature, often caring for and protecting others. 65. Taurians are attracted to sensual pleasures and enjoy indulging their physical senses. 66. Taurus is associated with the throat, making Taurians natural communicators and persuasive speakers. 67. Taurus individuals are known for their patience in relationships and willingness to work through difficulties. 68. Taurians have a strong sense of self-worth and value their own opinions and decisions. 69. Taurus is ruled by Venus, the planet of love, beauty, and romance, making Taurians naturally affectionate and loving. 70. Taurians possess a calm and stable energy, providing a sense of grounding to those around them. 71. Taurus individuals are loyal and devoted in their relationships, often looking for a lifelong partner. 72. Taurians are practical and methodical in their approach to problem solving, seeking tangible solutions. 73. Taurus is associated with the earth element, giving Taurians a strong connection to the physical world. 74. Taurus individuals value security and stability, often creating a comfortable and harmonious home environment. 75. Taurians have a strong appreciation for art and beauty, often possessing artistic or creative talents. 76. Taurus is ruled by Venus, which gives Taurians a natural charm and magnetism in social situations. 77. Taurus individuals have a strong sense of ethics and integrity, always striving to do what is right. 78. Taurians are practical and organized, often excelling in areas that require attention to detail. 79. Taurus is associated with the earth element, representing reliability, practicality, and groundedness. 80. Taurus individuals are known for the determination and persistence, not easily giving up on the goals. 81. Taurians have a deep appreciation for the beauty of the natural world, finding solace in nature. 82. Taurus is associated with the throat chakra, giving Taurians a natural talent for communication and self-expression. 83. Taurus individuals are often highly sensitive to physical sensations and find comfort in tactile experiences. 84. Taurians have a strong sense of loyalty and commitment, making them trustworthy and dependable friends. 85. Taurus is ruled by Venus, the planet of love and beauty, which gives Taurians a natural charm and magnetism. 86. Taurus individuals have a practical and realistic outlook on life, often striving for stability and security. 87. Taurians possess a calm and steady energy, providing a sense of grounding and stability to those around them. 88. Taurus is associated with the earth element, representing reliability, practicality, and a strong connection to the material world. 89. Taurus individuals are known for their patience and determination, often achieving the goals through steady and consistent effort. 90. Taurians have a deep appreciation for art and beauty, often finding inspiration in the natural world. 91. Taurus is ruled by Venus, the planet of love and beauty, which gives Taurians an inherent sense of style and aesthetic. 92. Taurus individuals value security and stability, often creating a comfortable and harmonious home environment. 93. Taurians have a strong sense of loyalty and commitment, making them reliable and trustworthy friends and partners. 94. Taurus is associated with the throat chakra, giving Taurians a natural talent for communication and self-expression. 95. Taurus individuals are known for the determination and perseverance, willing to put in the effort to achieve the goals. 96. Taurians have an appreciation for the finer things in life and enjoy indulging in physical pleasures. 97. Taurus is ruled by Venus, the planet of love and beauty, which gives Taurians a natural charm and grace. 98. Taurus individuals are loyal and faithful in their relationships, often valuing long-term commitment. 99. Taurians have a practical and down-to-earth approach to life, often seeking stability and security in their endeavors. 100. Taurus is associated with the earth element, giving Taurians a strong sense of practicality, reliability, and groundedness. 101. Taurus individuals have a deep connection to nature and often find solace and inspiration in the outdoors. 102. Taurians possess a calm and steady energy, providing a sense of stability and grounding to those around them. 103. Taurus is ruled by Venus, the planet of love and beauty, which gives Taurians a natural aesthetic sense and appreciation for art. 104. Taurus individuals value security and stability, often prioritizing financial success and material comfort. 105. Taurians have a strong sense of loyalty and commitment, making them reliable and trustworthy friends and partners. 106. Taurus is associated with the throat chakra, giving Taurians a natural talent for effective communication and self-expression. 107. Taurus individuals are known for the determination and persistence in achieving the goals. 108. Taurians have a deep appreciation for the physical senses and often enjoy indulging in sensory pleasures. 109. Taurus is ruled by Venus, the planet of love and beauty, which gives Taurians a natural magnetism and charm. 110. Taurus individuals are committed and faithful in their relationships, valuing long-term commitment and stability. 111. Taurians have a practical and down-to-earth approach to life, often seeking security and comfort in their surroundings. 112. Taurus is associated with the earth element, giving Taurians a strong connection to nature and the material world. 113. Taurus individuals possess a calm and grounded presence, providing stability and support to those around them. 114. Taurus is ruled by Venus, which gives Taurians a natural appreciation for beauty and a love for the arts. 115. Taurus individuals value stability and security, often seeking long-term financial success and comfortable living. 116. Taurians have a strong sense of loyalty and dependability, making them trustworthy friends and partners. 117. Taurus is associated with the throat chakra, giving Taurians a natural gift for effective communication and expression. 118. Taurus individuals are known for the determination and perseverance in achieving the goals. 119. Taurians have a deep appreciation for the physical senses, often indulging in pleasures like good food, music, and touch. 120. Taurus is ruled by Venus, the planet of love and beauty, which gives Taurians a natural charm and magnetism. 121. Taurus individuals are committed and devoted in their relationships, valuing stability and loyalty. 122. Taurians have a practical and realistic outlook on life, always striving for security and comfort. 123. Taurus is associated with the earth element, giving Taurians a strong connection to the natural world and a love for nature. 124. Taurus individuals possess a calm and steady energy, providing support and reliability to those around them. 125. Taurus is ruled by Venus, which gives Taurians a natural appreciation for aesthetics and a talent for creating beauty. These facts provide a general overview of the characteristics associated with Taurus individuals. Remember that individual personalities may vary, and astrology is just one aspect to consider in a person's overall identity and behavior.